Sumentro sa volunteerismo ang pagbubukas ng ika-14 na National Community Relations Service Month ng Bureau of Management and Penology o BGMP. Sa katunayan, lumagda ng Memorandum of Understanding ang BGMP at Philippine National Volunteer Service Coordinating Agency at ang BGMP CAR at University of the Cordilleras nitong Hunyo 3. Layunin nito na itaguyod ang ugnayan at volunteerismo sa pagbibigay ng pagbabago lalo na sa buhay ng mga persons deprived of liberty. Ang tema ng selebrasyon ngayong taon ay ugnayan at bayanihan sa piitan, sandigan ng serbisyong tunay para sa bagong Pilipinas.
After all, BGMP is not just a group of jail officers. BGMP is a family, a community in itself, of people whose hearts are driven to help PNL believe that change in their condition is possible.
We at the Philippine National Volunteer Service Coordinating Agency are proud to work hand in hand with the BGMP in creating pathways for civic engagement, particularly in supporting persons deprived of liberty, their rehabilitation, and eventual reintegration into society.